Hey everyone, welcome back to Devarai Technologies. This is a series on Microsoft Agent Framework. And today we are going to start with multi-turn conversations. In our last two videos, we started with creating our first agent and also connecting it to tools. Today, we'll be covering very important concept, multi-turn conversations. Your agent will not be helpful enough if it doesn't remember the context what you have given it. For example, you're having a conversation with an agent and you asked a question, my name is JD, and agent will reply, hey JD, how you doing? And then when you ask the second question that what's my name? And then agent will reply currently, I don't know your name, you haven't told me yet. It's just an example. If you don't provide any context, then it won't remember what you had said previously or what agent has said previously. It doesn't know that yet. Unless we want to pass on the agent session. Okay. Use a session to maintain conversation context so the agent remembers what was said earlier. Okay. So first, the example that I gave you, right? Let's try to do that in our existing code. I'll just I'll just remove all this code. Okay. I'll name this again as hello agent, and also I'll remove the tools as well. Okay. And here let's add agent.RunAsync. I just gave my name. And I'll be asking what is my name. Okay. This is a pretty good example that I'll be having. Let's run this application first. Okay, I got the answer for the first response, first question. Nice to meet you, JD. I'm yet to receive for the second one. So here it is. I don't know your name. You haven't told me yet. Okay, so this is how it will behave if you don't have the session context in place. So let's go through the official documentation and see how we can pass on the session. First, this is how you create the session. Okay, and how you can pass that session by just putting it here. So, comma session. Just very simple. Okay, and I'll rerun this. Nice to meet you, JD. Your name is JD. Nice, right? So it remembers what you have said previously. Okay, and very important thing, this session that you're just creating, it's currently in memory. It's not being persisted. If you restart your application, then your last session is gone. Okay, so unless we save this session to a persistent storage, maybe in Azure, if I'm talking about Azure terms, I can store this in SQL database, I can store this in Azure Cosmos DB or any other database. Currently it is stored in memory and it will be resetted every time you restart your application. Okay, so yeah, I think that is all. And the next part is how you persist this session across restarts or across your application lifecycle of application, so that if you come today, you, your session is you start the session, and if you come tomorrow you have that session already there. You just get that session using maybe conversation ID, and then you pass on that session to your next agent run, so that in across agents you can have the same session. And by the way, one more important thing, currently we have created one agent and we have ran our two questions with the same session, I can also create multiple agents and I can have the same session running across both the agents, so that while the agents are provisioned in real time while your application is running, then that session gets carried over to each of the agents so that it knows that what was done previously and what is to be done next. And once it passes on the control to the parent agent, then parent agent will know that what the child agent has done. Okay, so this is how you can manage the session across agents. We'll be seeing in our upcoming videos when we create a very powerful real world example of real world application. Okay, and again we are here as always. Let's see a real demo. Okay, since we have covered the concept of multi-turn conversations, let's see that in action in a real world application. Okay, I'll just ask, I'll ask the questions in such a way that it is going to follow that my last message and then carry over to the next one. How is my day looking? Okay, let me see what tools I have so that I can enable more capabilities. Okay, perfect. I have quite a many. Let me ask, is there any risky? Okay, I'll just ask, list all sign-ins in last 1 week. Since I have connected Entra ID, right? So I can also list all the sign-ins and also verify whether they are risky sign-ins or not. Okay, I asked a very simple question, list all sign-ins in the last 1 week. Okay, here I have all the sign-in in last 1 week. Now I'll not tell that by passing this message, I'll simply tell send it to my email at I haven't told it that what needs to be sent, but it knows that what needs to be sent. See here. It is giving me a sample email and it is asking me my approval. I'll just click on confirm. Okay, and email sent. So that is the multi-turn conversation I just had. I did not mention every time that, okay, you need to send this, you need to follow on this. It remembers that context and then it carries on to the next question. So that's the power. Okay. If you want to lose the context, I can just start creating a new conversation and I can start fresh. If I'm in one conversation, then it knows everything around that. Let's see finally the email and then we can wrap this up. Okay, there it is. Perfect. And in our next video, we will be seeing how we can persist the session that we created today. Okay, there are a couple of ways and how you can persist that session. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks everyone.